Hi, how you do? Welcome again to Island Up in Sports. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. My name is Lenwet Duhaney. I just sat and watched one of the biggest upset in world cricket. The biggest one of in world cricket. I'm talking about Afghanistan upsetting Australia in the Super 8 in the T20 World Cup. Now you have to remember that in the group stage, Afghanistan, right? They did very well and they came through. And tonight, yes, tonight, they created a major upset in the group in Pool A, where you have Bangladesh, India, right? You have Bangladesh, India, Australia, Bangladesh, India. India defeat Australia.